My name is Aileen, and I'm a current senior at Clark High School, and I will be studying electrical and computer engineering at Carnegie Mellon University in the fall. I did take a lot of classes through Excel, but I think the most helpful ones that I took were the college counseling courses, since I think for a lot of people, once they reach the process, it's really daunting and really scary because it's not like anything we've ever done before. But I think having the support of all the staff and all the counselors at Excel really helped me get through that process easier. So my personal essay, I think, was the most difficult part of the entire process for me. It was like my first essay, and I felt like it had to be really good since it kind of showed off who I was as an overall person. And I had a ton of ideas like when I walked in, but then as I started writing them out, I was like, these are not gonna work. And through the help of like my counselor and stuff, I was able to find an idea that I think suited me really well. And I think without the support of him, I would not have been able to do that. Yeah, so I was really passionate about my smaller like little programming projects. And through those, I was able to learn a lot about like skills that developers use in the industry and past just like what I learned in school. Because using apps like VS Code and GitHub is a lot different than when you just code on like CodeHS or something. So through these projects, I was able to take my skills and put them into like a real life application to actually help people. And on top of that, I was able to learn more about the apps that I would use in my future career. My main piece of advice would be to start as early as you can, even if it's just like brainstorming a few ideas for your personal statement, because once Common App opens and everything, it's a really big time crunch when you have to write so many supplementals and stuff. And I think just eliminating the time that you would take to brainstorm more ideas for your personal statement, because I know a lot of people spend a lot of time like thinking of ideas and then actually writing them out and realizing that they don't work. I think you could save a lot of time by just starting as early as you can. Yeah, so I am going into CMU as an electric and computer engineering major, which is one of the best in the country. And I really want to make the most of their resources and like make really good like connections and stuff to support me out once I leave college and once I actually enter the industry too.